This question says, create a system of two linear equations in y equals mx plus b form whose only solution is 4, negative 3. Remember that y equals mx plus b is called slope-intercept form. Okay, and we want the only solution to be 4, negative 3. I'm going to plot an ordered pair on our graph. So 4, negative 3 is going to be right here. Now, there are many different solutions that you could come up with that would satisfy this. And if you wanted like a very basic solution, one possible option you could do is this line here. If I drew that horizontal line, that is the line y equals negative 3. Now, that's, you might say, Mr. Kwan, that's kind of like a cop-out. And so I'm gonna go ahead and erase that, and I'll give you two different ones. But know that there's so many different ones that you could do. So I'm gonna plot a point here at 0, negative 5. And so I'm gonna create a line that goes through these 2 points. So I've gone ahead and drawn that line, and then maybe another line that I could do is one that goes through the point 0, 0, which we know to be the origin. So I'm going to go ahead and connect those two. Okay, so note that these two lines that I have drawn have their solution at 4, negative 3, because that's where these two lines intersect. Now, I want to give the equations of these two lines, and so let's do the one that has the negative slope first. So I'm going to do y equals, I know that my slope is negative because it's moving in a downwards direction, and I need to know exactly what my slope is. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, and then over or right 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means my slope is negative 3/4 x plus whatever our b value is. Now, if you look at the y-intercept of this line, it's 0, 0. And that means that our b value is 0, so I would put plus 0, but that's kind of unnecessary. So I'm just going to write y equals negative 3/4 x. And my second line, I want to observe the slope. So I'm starting here, and I'm going up 1, 2. And I'm going right 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to have y equals 2 over 4x plus, or in this case minus, since our y-intercept is 0, negative 5. That means our b value is negative 5, so I'm going to do minus 5. Now, one small thing is the fraction 2/4 can be simplified or reduced, so I'm going to rewrite that as y equals 1/2 x. So these are just one system of equations of many that have the solution 4, negative 3. So this is how you would go about doing this question. Now, if you're in my class, our homework system is a little bit sensitive as far as the graphing. It's like you have to get it pretty precise and pretty accurate in order for the homework system to mark your answer correct. So if you feel like you're getting the right answer, but the homework system is marking it incorrect, just let me know and I'll check it out. And if I need to fix your grade, I will do that.